Trinamool Congress National General Secretary Abhishek Banerjee will file his nomination, has filed his nomination in fact for the Diamond Harbour seat in West Bengal. The Trinamool leader has been winning the seat since 2014 and the seat is considered a stronghold of the party. Abhishek Banerjee won the seat last time by a margin of over 3 lakh votes. Abhishek Banerjee will hold a rally from Kalighat to the district magistrate's office, and the seat was a closely watched one as there was speculation that ISF MLA Naushad Siddiqui would contest, but he did not, and the BJP fielded its candidate Abhijit Das very late in this seat.
I am contesting an election. I am not an astrologer. I can't predict the future, but I have left no stone unturned in serving the people. I submitted my nomination today, and submitting my nomination paper is not just an reminder to contest the election. It's a reminder that you need to submerge and immerse yourself in service of the people. So I will do my best. I will continue doing my best, and I am hopeful and optimistic that the margin that Diamond Harbour has delivered last time, that margin will eventually increase and people's love and blessings will continue to be showered upon us.
Trinamool Congress National General Secretary Abhishek Banerjee filing his nomination from the Diamond Harbour Lok Sabha seat today. Now this of course is a very closely watched contest and a hot seat because Abhishek Banerjee, as you know, is one of the most important candidates of the Trinamool Congress on the ticket. In fact, he's considered the party's second in command, but he's not someone who of course has, just been limited to his seat. He's actually one of the candidates who is leading the campaign for the Trinamool Congress, and therefore he's of course nomination today happening here in Kolkata as he walks from Kalighat to his nomination point, which is the District Magistrate's Office of South 24 Parganas. Now Abhishek Banerjee, of course, you can see walking here, of course, very closely guarded by his security, and of course a jostle here as supporters line up the streets outside Kalighat all the way up to the Alipur DM's office, where Mr. Abhishek Banerjee will file his nomination for the Diamond Harbour Lok Sabha seat, where the CPIM has fielded Pratikul Rahman and the BJP has fielded Abhijit Das to take on Abhishek Banerjee. Now you can see, of course, there's a jostle of supporters who are here as Abhishek Banerjee walks from the Kalighat, residence, which is very close to Mamata Banerjee's residence, all the way up to the DM's office in Alipur, where he will file his nomination papers. With camera person GD Shankar in Kolkata, Saurabh Gupta, NDTV.